Ever wondered if the secret to crystal clear vision could be hiding in your fruit bowl? Well, it turns out, it just might be. In a world where screens dominate our lives and the health of our eyes is pushed to the back burner, it's time to bring the spotlight back to one of our most precious senses, our sight. In this video, we're diving into the colorful and juicy world of fruits, but not just any fruits. We're talking about the top 5 superhero fruits that are not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a boon for your eyes. These natural delights are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and all the good stuff that your eyes have been craving. So, if you're keen on keeping your vision sharp and your eyes sparkling, you're in the right place. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us on this flavorful journey to better health and clearer vision. Your eyes will thank you. 1. Oranges. Oranges are celebrated not just for their tangy taste, but also for their remarkable health benefits, particularly for the eyes. Rich in vitamin C, oranges play a pivotal role in collagen synthesis, an essential protein that helps maintain the cornea's integrity and overall eye structure. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to eye diseases if left unchecked. The body's exposure to high-energy light waves, such as blue light from screens and the sun's UV rays, can generate free radicals, leading to oxidative damage. Vitamin C in oranges neutralizes these free radicals, protecting the eyes from potential harm. This antioxidant support is crucial in delaying or preventing eye conditions such as cataracts, where the eye's lens becomes clouded, and macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Regular consumption of oranges supplies the body with enough vitamin C to fortify the eyes against these conditions, supporting overall eye health and vision longevity. 2. Berries. Berries, specifically strawberries and blueberries, are another group of fruits that are immensely beneficial for eye health. These small but mighty fruits are loaded with anthocyanins and vitamin C, making them powerful allies in the quest for maintaining eye health. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their vibrant colors, are known for their antioxidant properties, which help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Strawberries and blueberries enhance blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring that essential nutrients and oxygen are delivered efficiently. This improved circulation supports the health of the retina and can help in reducing the risk of vision problems. The vitamin C found in these berries further aids in the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein vital for the strength and health of the eyes. By reinforcing the blood vessels in the eyes, these berries contribute to a robust ocular system, capable of withstanding the stresses of environmental factors and aging. Moreover, the antioxidants in strawberries and blueberries have been shown to play a significant role in eye health by reducing the risk of disorders such as macular degeneration and cataracts. These fruits offer a delicious way to consume essential nutrients that support eye structure and function, promoting overall eye health. 3. Kiwis. Kiwis, with their vibrant green flesh and tiny black seeds, are not just a delight to the palate, but also a treasure trove of nutrients vital for eye health. Among these, lutein and zeaxanthin stand out for their significant roles in supporting macular health. The macula, located in the center of the retina, is responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural sunglasses, filtering harmful high-energy blue wavelengths of light and protecting the eyes from oxidative stress that can lead to macular degeneration over time. The consumption of kiwis contributes to the dietary intake of these crucial antioxidants. Regular intake of kiwis can help maintain the density of these pigments in the macula, which is essential for protecting the eyes against the potential damage from prolonged exposure to screens and UV light. Additionally, the presence of these antioxidants in kiwis aids in reducing eye strain, a common issue in today's digital age, where many hours are spent in front of screens. Beyond lutein and zeaxanthin, kiwis are a powerhouse of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, and fiber. Vitamin C supports the health of ocular blood vessels. Vitamin E contributes to the protection of cells in the eyes from oxidative stress, and vitamin K plays a role in reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. The rich nutritional profile of kiwis makes them an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their eye health and prevent the development of vision-related issues. 4. Carrots. Carrots have long been associated with good vision, and for a good reason. These root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Beta-carotene gives carrots their orange color and acts as a precursor to vitamin A, meaning it is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for the formation of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows for seeing in low light conditions. Without sufficient vitamin A, individuals may suffer from night blindness, a condition where it becomes difficult to see in dim light or at night. Furthermore, vitamin A plays a vital role in maintaining the health of the cornea, the eye's outermost layer. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to dry eyes, corneal ulcers, and, in severe cases, blindness. By incorporating carrots into the diet, one can ensure an adequate intake of beta-carotene, supporting corneal health and overall vision. Carrots also contain other beneficial nutrients, such as antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes from age-related degeneration and the harmful effects of oxidation. The combination of beta-carotene with these antioxidants makes carrots an excellent food for eye health, contributing to the prevention of conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. 5. Spinach. Spinach stands out as a formidable ally in the quest to safeguard eye health, despite its classification as a vegetable rather than a fruit. This leafy green is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that are paramount for the protection and maintenance of the eyes. The significance of these nutrients cannot be overstated, as they are concentrated in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. Their primary role is to act as filters of harmful blue light, shielding the eyes from potential damage that can lead to degenerative conditions. The regular consumption of spinach can significantly contribute to the fortification of the macula, enhancing its protective capabilities against the onslaught of blue light and oxidative stress. This is particularly important in the context of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness among older adults. By incorporating spinach into the diet, individuals can increase their intake of lutein and zeaxanthin, potentially lowering their risk of developing AMD. Furthermore, spinach is a powerhouse of other vital nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which collectively contribute to its eye health-promoting properties. These antioxidants work in synergy to combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of cataracts. Cataracts, characterized by the clouding of the eye's lens, can significantly affect vision quality and are commonly associated with aging. The antioxidant-rich profile of spinach can help delay the onset of cataracts and may even slow their progression. In addition to its protective effects against AMD and cataracts, spinach supports overall eye health through its contribution to the maintenance of healthy blood vessels. The presence of vitamin K in spinach plays a crucial role in this aspect, further underscoring the vegetable's importance in a diet aimed at preserving eye health. Incorporating spinach into one's diet is remarkably easy, given its versatility. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked as part of various dishes, making it accessible for anyone looking to boost their eye health through nutrition. And there you have it, the top 5 fruits that are your eye's best friends. Who knew that the path to better eye health could be so delicious? From the citrusy zest of oranges to the lush green goodness of spinach, incorporating these fruits into your diet is like giving your eyes a natural spa treatment. But remember, while these fruits are fantastic, they're just part of the picture. A balanced diet, regular eye checkups, and healthy lifestyle choices are the real secret to maintaining your vision and overall eye health. So what are you waiting for? Let's make our meals a feast for the eyes, quite literally. And if you've enjoyed this juicy journey through the world of eye-protecting fruits, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite fruit or any eye care tips you swear by. Your interaction helps us create content that lights up your day, both figuratively and visually. Until next time, keep those peepers happy and healthy.